Hello, my name is Laura Malandrino. I'm a therapist and I currently work in Hermosa Beach with Lisa Chen Associates. I do believe that healing from trauma is possible for sure. I think it's a different route for everybody. It I think there's a moment in which the body starts breaking down. And that's part of what happens in the nervous system when there's trauma in the body and years pass by and something you can patch something, but then the body is always reacting. And I think that when people get to that point is where the work with EMDR is really important. I use it a lot for people that has gone through trauma, and it doesn't have to be the big trauma. It can be little anxiety trauma. It can be OCD. It can be anything that is just disrupting the way that your body is feeling. The eye movement, the sensitization therapy, for those that are not familiar with what EMDR is, it really brings whatever is stuck in the amygdala to the prefrontal cortex. So that bilateral stimulation is what helps put in perspective that fear and that trauma that you had, right? You have a trauma, it stays in the body. It stays in the body because it's so big that your senses could just not process it normally. So it stays there and years pass. And so when we go back to EMDR, what we try to do is like move slowly that trauma from the body to this other part of the brain that can process things. And so when that happened, what happened with trauma? Trauma is still there. You can still remember the experience, but it's so far away now that it doesn't alter your nervous system. So it is possible. It is an amazing scientific technique. I do integrate that with a lot of mindfulness, a lot of acceptance for the moment. Trauma is very complex. It just doesn't come from one thing. So I think having an understanding of all those things together and being able to hold space for the client and just motivate the client to. I do integrate a lot of existential therapy. I think that finding meaning in things is really what can keep you going, especially in moments of trauma, right? So when things are hard, it's difficult, and it's like hope is lost, that's when we try to look at meaning. What's meaningful? Where is the meaning, right? Because it can be little things. Sometimes we're searching for these big achievements. And the truth is that are you able to go out and feel the breeze and be grateful for that? Because that's what we have, right? We have little moments, we have the now. So it is possible to heal for sure. If you like to work with me, you can reach out to Lisa Chen Therapy and we can schedule a 15-minute consultation. Thank you.